Hi everyone, this is Saram Rai from Designy, and in this video we'll be looking how you can use the honeymoon planner honeymoon planner uh, application. So to use this honeymoon planner application, firstly you need to do is purchase it from our Etsy store. So please firstly click on add to basket and purchase the honeymoon planner uh, application. Once you purchase it, go to your accounts and click on purchase and review. Over there you will find your purchase sections, and once you find your purchase in your purchase section, please find the honeymoon planner that you have recently purchased from us. So over there please click, you'll be able to see over there is download button, so please click on downloads. Once you click on download, you will receive the three files. Firstly is the honeymoon planner, secondly is the honeymoon planner HTML file, secondly is the how to use honeymoon planner PDF guide, thirdly is the thank you guide, and additional you may get an image of PNG how to use about this video. So let's look in this video how you can use the honeymoon planner application. Once you download it, please go to your download sections in your file manager, and over there in the top you will find the honeymoon planners HTML file that's like this. Okay, please double click it, and if on double clicking it, if it opens through the Microsoft Edge, please you do not use it through Microsoft Edge. So please click on the right button and open it with through Google Chrome. Once you open through Google Chrome, since we have previously saved our data in Google Chrome, so you are able to you are being able to see all this data regarding it. Okay, so let's go towards how to use it. Okay, so firstly let's open through another Google Chrome. Okay, I have resetted it. Okay, so once you open it through Google Chrome, you'll be able to see in this manner. Okay, so now click on begin and enter your partner's name. Now click next. Now click the city or the place where you want to visit, and if you want to enter the country you can do that, and travel date as well, you can enter the travel date as well. So once you do that, you click on next and select the vibe and add the budget. So here the budget is in 5 category: USD, Euro, GBP, JPY and AUD. Okay, you can, if you have a relatable currency, then you can convert your relatable currency to this, or you can think like you can just assume that this currency, it's just the currency icon. Okay, so you can assume to be this currency icon as yours. So let's say I have a currency icon is INR. Okay, so my travel budget is 10 lakhs. Okay, so it's not 10 lakh USD. Okay, it's 10 lakh INR. I'll just assume that. If the currency does not match, I can assume in that way. Okay, so I can start plan. Okay, and now here you'll be able to see the first sections. You can add images over here, so let's add few images to make it look better. Like it will be doing displaying where we want to visit. Okay, so this is our destination, so let's it make look better. Okay, we have added some. Now yeah, now we can go to the reservations. In the reservations, click on the add button over here to add reservations. Okay, so in the reservation sections you'll be able to see is what kind of reservation you want to enter. Okay, hotel, flight, transport, restaurant, activity, insurance and other. Okay, so let's say we want to reserve a flight that's from Bagrogra to Bali. Okay, so here the phase also you can insert over here, like researching listed and booked. Okay, so let's say it's researching, in the researching phase. So let's say the first one, date one. Okay, so we will be returning at 9, so let's enter that date as well. So round trip, we are looking for a round trip. Okay, so we have in mind is the Indigo. Okay, so you can add consumption ticket price over here later on. Okay, so let's say price as well we'll enter is 34. Okay, so 34,500 rupees. Okay, so we'll add in this way, and you can add similarly, you can add other things as well, like let's say hotel only. Okay, it's let's say we can add hotel as well. You can say it's such listed. Okay, so you can add the date, you can add the per night price. You can add in this way. Okay, so you can add the insurance activity in everything rest as well. Okay, so here you can say select the activity and enter the dose data. Okay, once you do that, you can even edit it. Okay, you can simply edit from here by pressing the edit or delete it directly. Okay, so let's say we want to edit it and we want to change the price. Okay, it's per night is, let's say, 250 only, so we have entered it wrong. Okay, so you can see we have changed to it. Okay, so now if we want to change the research phase to something other, so we can do from here, directly click over here, so it will be in shortlisted place. Okay, in this way it works. Okay, or we can edit it from here only. So let's say we are booked, can do that and update reservation. Okay, it has been booked. Okay, in same manner we can do this and it has also been booked. And that's all for the reservation one. And for itinerary, you can do this is you can enter the date one. Okay, you can give the title. Okay, it's arriving date or arrival day, you can say that. Okay, and hit save date, and you can add the activity. Okay, here you'll be able to see the time of the day. Okay, so let's say since we'll be moving in the, we'll be probably getting in the afternoon, so activity name is like, let's say, walk in the ditch. Okay, we can add that and we can do this. We can add a simple photo if possible, we can get here. Okay, and you can add activity. Okay, in this way our activity will added. You can add as much as activity for the specific day. Okay, you can add for different dates as well. Okay, you can do the itinerary in that way. Here is the budget. Okay, you can see here budget. So from budget, if there is any expenses, additional expenses, so let's say since we are traveling, so we bought some clothes. Okay, clothes, so amount was, let's say, around 6,000, so we'll do it. Okay, and description is like at let's say at airport. So in this way you can do that. Okay, you can be able to see is the spent, left. Okay, and everything over there. For packaging as well, you can do you can just tick mark and so it's packed. Okay, or from here only you can just like from here only you can just do that as well. Okay, by clicking in the edit button. Okay, you can edit as much as you want. Okay, here you'll be able to see all the sections packed or not. Okay, need. If you need it, you can put it on need. If you own it, you can put it on own. Okay, like need is a section where if you don't have the product, but you have to buy it. Okay, own is the section where you owe the product but you have not packed it, and packed is just simply it's packed. Okay, you can do that. Enter the item name, select the category, and select it's packed on or need. Okay, and hit save. That will bring out the item. Okay, and next is the checklist. Like the checklist is what are the items or the things you want to add. Okay, so packaging also you can add from here, the top button, add button. Okay, and checklist as well you can add from the top bar. You can add the tasks and select the specific sections from where you want. Okay, so let's say checklist is, let's say the checklist is a visa. So let's say it's a visa. So 1 week before the departure. So let's say save. So you can see in this way you'll be able to see all this. Okay, you can just hit this way, and your checklist will say it's done. Okay, in discover you can add as much as places you want to discover. Okay, let's say it's the cave we want to discover, so we add it's the attraction, restaurant, or other. So let's say it's attractions. You can add note as well. You can select the file, simply select the file, and this way you can add the photo. You hit save. Okay, in this way you can put the places you want to discover over there. Now you can add the journal as well. So let's say it's the journal. Okay, so dinner. So let's say Cape dinner. So you can add that. You can add some memories. Okay, memory like whatever you had in that. Okay, you can add the memory, you can add the mood. Okay, and you can select the emails. You can select the emails and hit open and hit save. Okay, in this way your journal will be saved. You can add as much as entry, or you can edit as much as entry you want. So gallery. So in the gallery as well you can add, choose the file, click it over there, edit caption. You can edit, add the caption as well, and you can select the file. Let's say this one. Okay, the caption is swing, or you can say insta moment. Okay, and we can add upload. Okay, in this way you'll be able to see in the gallery section. You can add, you can keep the gallery separately. Okay, and lastly is the settings. Okay, settings here you can edit the partner's name, you can edit the destination, you can edit the budget, you can edit the, and here below you'll see the trip management. Okay, so if you are doing some multiple trips, okay, like let's say you select a one destination, so next time this is a reusable as well. Okay, so let's next time you want to visit to some new places. Okay, so you can click on new trip. Okay, you can just click on new trip, give a name. Okay, and hit OK. In this manner your new trip will be entered. Okay, so here you'll see able to see a new trip has been edited in everything. Okay, and in settings you can see, you can enter the partner's name, same everything, budget, etc. Okay, and you can go back to your previous trip as well. Just select your previous trip from here in the drop down box. Just select the previous trip, everything will be back again. Okay, from galleries to everything you'll be able to see back. So this was from my side. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Serum Rai from Designing, signing off. Thank you so much.